Using an old gel color bottle, remove the cap and the brush. Replace it with the funnel and mix in your glitters, making sure that it's cosmetic grade glitters so that it is safe to apply on natural nails. Fill the remaining of the bottle with your gel color top coat. Roll it to mix thoroughly. Remove any old packaging. Remove any old labeling. Apply onto nails, and there you have it, custom mixed glitter. Using an old nail lacquer bottle, take off the cap and brush. Place a couple drops of the nail lacquer of choice. Fill the remaining of the bottle with nail lacquer top coat. Place cap and brush on and close, rolling to mix thoroughly. Apply onto nails. And there you have it, custom mixed jelly color. OPI bottle repurpose for charms. Using an old mini nail lacquer bottle and some Expert Touch lacquer remover, cleanse the bottle of any excess product. You can also use an Expert Touch lint-free nail wipe. Then using some acrylic paint and some NAS 99, place a couple drops in the bottle. This will give the appearance that there is product inside. Carefully with an E-file and a pointy drill bit, drill a hole in the top of the cap, place in your hardware, and there you have it, a cute DIY mini nail lacquer charm.